Thanks for joining us on HTSN. I'm Storm Team 6 meteorologist Kyle Mounts. Not sure if you noticed, but Sunday afternoon we crossed the 80-degree mark in Indianapolis. First time we've done that since last Monday. Tonight, temperatures going to fall back into the low 60s across central Indiana. 61 in Bloomington and Columbus, 63 in Indianapolis, and 62 in Richmond. As we start off your Monday morning, allow yourself a little bit of extra time because I think we are going to start to see some more fog redevelop across the area, and some of it could be dense in a few spots. So let's hope you plan out your Monday. We'll see a return of sunshine, and that's going to help the warm temperatures pretty quick. Already by 9 o'clock in the morning, 70 degrees, into the low 80s by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Just a light southeast wind at 5 miles per hour. It will be a little more humid, and that's going to make that 84-degree reading at 3 o'clock feel more like the upper half of the 80s. High temperatures for our Monday will make it to around 87 in Bloomington and Columbus, 86 Muncie into Richmond, and 86 as well in Indianapolis. Numbers that are a lot closer to average for the middle to latter part of July for us. 85 is where we would expect to be. We're going to continue to build in the warmth as we go through the next couple of days. The real hot stuff staying out to our west, where they'll see numbers climbing into the 90s. I think we may get close by Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures certainly starting off the day very mild, around 70 degrees. 69 in Muncie, 68 in Indianapolis. As we go into the afternoon, there you see 88 in Bloomington, 86 in Lafayette, 90 degrees in Indianapolis. It's possible we haven't quite made it there this year. We're going to make a run at it here as we go into Tuesday before we get a change back in the forecast. So the summer heat and humidity not going to last too long, because we'll see a return of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday, a high temperature of 83. Behind that, just 78, the high temperature on Thursday. And as we look to the end of next week, we're going to stay unseasonably cool. Not by much. Again, our average high is in the middle half of the 80s. We'll make it to around 81 on Friday, and there you see more showers and thunderstorms in the forecast Saturday and Sunday, which we'll have to watch fairly closely because, of course, we got the Brickyard 400, and we'll watch that forecast for you. Thanks so much for watching.